Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel, Faithfully Niqua. I'm Shaniqua.
I'm Miracle.
This is my cousin. And today we're going to do a challenge. So what it is we're going to put headphones on and we're going to pick a song that we know and we're going to turn it up really loud and we're going to sing. So I don't know, like, it's not it's just to see how we sound, that's all. Yeah, let's get into this video. Alright, she's gonna go first. Because I'm not going first. I laugh a lot, so just bear with me, you know. Mm-hmm.
Every time I hit you. Did you rock by my side always? Ain't no shot of love to show me. Ain't no need to keep it low key. You, cause I know you coming. Coming right in, yeah. I can make it, I'm gonna be honest. Oh, and you're a reason to be lie. I know I changed away sometime, but you still keep me on your mind. No, I'm not trying to waste your time. July. And you come through.
Oh,
everything cross my mind. You be everything's alright. Need you right by my side. Always. And the shot of love you show me. Ain't no need to keep it low key.
Okay.
That's exactly why I need you.
Yesterday, a man said to me, he said, how can you smile when your world is tumbling down? I said, in my secret, when I want to cry, I take a look around and I feel that I get by and I hold on. Change is coming. Hold on. Don't worry. Hold on. You can make it. Hold on. Everything. Some people like to worry. Some people like to hide. Some people like to run away from the pain inside. Now it's show business. Do whatever you want to do. But if it don't work out, here's what you ought to do. Now just hold on.
Say that you couldn't do it cause you washed up. Ain't like them bad girls that you should get your sauce up. But I got this plan and you might not understand. I'ma go hard as I can. And I'm gonna be the boss of it. Just watch me do this, put no limits, only swag on it. Walk right up to the front where I belong and brag on it. Up to the top, I'ma give it all I got. Might take a lot, but we ain't gonna never stop. I do believe I'm something special. Can't take that from me. So you can say what you want. I go harder, stronger, be who I'm supposed to be. Cause I'm unstoppable. I get it all the way in it. That's the way I was made and I'm up on my business. I'm unstoppable. Ain't no hoping I'm wishing. Say a prayer, get your way, then I go out and get it. So I can be what I want. Try it if I want. Empowered by the king. He won't let me fall. I'm unstoppable. Nah, he won't let me fall. No, cause I'm unstoppable, yeah.
Now we're gonna pick songs for each other to sing. And so she's finna pick my song right now and I have to sing it. Okay? There is power in the name of Jesus. There is power in the name of Jesus. There is power in the name of Jesus. To break every chain, break every chain, break every chain. Her song is "Take Me to the King" by Tamala Mann.
It's my offering. Take me to the King. Truth is, I'm tired. Options
I'm gonna
are
skip this song.
few.
I'm gonna skip this song.
I'm trying to pray, but where are you? I'm all churched out, hurt and abused. I can't take what's left to do. Truth is, I'm weak, no strength to fight, no tears to cry. Even if I stop playing these. For the people's pain. So Lord, speak right now. Let it pour like rain. Oh yeah, we're desperate. We're chasing after you. Oh Lord, no rules, no religion. I made my decision to run to you. The hill, right me at the throne. Leave me there alone. Gaze upon your glory. Speak right now. Let it pour like rain.
Behold the Lamb. Oh my gosh. The praise. We're meant to sing that made him again. He's a precious Lamb. We're always victorious. I will love it's all in God. But I'm sitting right here in the midst of my tears. Oh, that could be to be the Lamb of God.
Your winds blow. I want you to know you call me no alarm. Safe in his arms. Even though the rain falls, I can still make this call. Let there be peace. Now I can say, go away. I command you to move today. Because of faith, I am a brand new day. Sun will shine, and I will be alright. That's when I told the storm. You have to cease.
Ooh.
I told the storm. I told the storm.
I stand amazed at your strength. I stand amazed at your power. Oh, so amazing. I say so amazing. So Alright, that's it for this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, if he brought you to it, he'll bring you through it.